First, let's download an original copy of Windows 10. Go to Google, search for Windows 10 ISO, and enter the first link. Click on Download tool. Run the Media Creation tool. Click Accept, then Next. Select Create Installation Media. This will allow you to create a Windows 10 ISO file. Select your language. Select ISO file, and choose where to save it. Wait for the download to finish. Open up VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Give it a name, select where to save it, and select Windows 10 from the list. Set amount of RAM and click Create. Select Settings, and go to the Storage tab. Click on Empty, select the disk icon, and then choose your Windows ISO file. Click OK. Click Start. Install Windows 10. All done. Please subscribe.